Ever wonder how different fields of study, like political philosophy, political geography, political theology, political psychology, and political economy, manage to converge on the same subject matter? Despite their distinct methodologies and focus areas, these fields share a common thread: an intense interest in understanding the nuances of society and governance. Today, we delve into the commonalities that bind these fields together. Firstly, all these fields are profoundly interested in human behavior and societal structures. Whether it's political philosophy, scrutinizing the moral implications of human actions, or political psychology, analyzing the cognitive processes behind political decision-making, the study of human behavior forms the crux of their investigations. Secondly, power and authority emerge as central themes in these fields. They dissect the nature of power, how it is acquired, maintained and challenged, and the authority structures that govern societies. This exploration extends from the corridors of government offices to the subtle power dynamics in everyday social interactions. Thirdly, these fields are acutely aware of how political systems and ideologies influence individuals and groups. They probe the impact of political narratives, policies and propaganda on people's perceptions, actions and identities. The fourth commonality is their interdisciplinary nature. Whether it's political economy borrowing from economics or political theology drawing from religious studies, these fields are not confined within rigid academic boundaries. They draw from a broad spectrum of disciplines to provide a comprehensive understanding of political phenomena. Fifthly, these fields don't just observe and analyze, they can influence policymaking and political strategies. Their insights can guide lawmakers, shape public opinion, and even spur social change. Next, historical and cultural contexts are integral to their analyses. They recognize that political systems and ideologies do not exist in a vacuum. They are shaped by, and in turn shape, the historical periods and cultural contexts in which they exist. Seventh, they don't limit their analysis to one scale. From global geopolitics to local governance, these fields recognize the importance of scale in political processes and examine both global and local dynamics. Eighth, these fields blend theoretical frameworks with practical implications. They aim to understand political systems and ideologies and sometimes even strive to improve them, bridging the gap between theory and practice. Ninth, ethical considerations are central to these fields. They grapple with questions of governance, citizenship, and the distribution of resources, probing the ethical dimensions of political life. Lastly, they acknowledge and study the change and evolution of political systems and ideologies over time. They understand that politics is not static. It evolves in response to societal changes, technological advancements, and shifting cultural norms. In conclusion, while each field of political study has its unique approach and focus, they all contribute to a deeper understanding of the political aspects of human life. They study human behavior, analyze power dynamics, consider the influence of political systems, draw from various disciplines, influence policy, take into account historical and cultural contexts, analyze global and local dynamics, blend theory with practice, involve ethical considerations, and acknowledge the evolution of political systems. These shared commonalities underline the interconnectedness of these fields and their collective contribution to our understanding of